Good morning. I woke up this morning and it was a beautiful spring day, and I thought to myself, what a great day to start a garden. We've been out to the nurseries recently and we have picked up a couple plants for our home garden. The first thing I'm going to look at is our marigolds, which are a beautiful orangey red, yellowish color. And this is cilantro, which is an herb that's really, really great to use. And finally, some tomato plants. So I'm not going to start right away putting things in the dirt. First, I'm going to go inside and make a garden plan, and after that, we can go outside and actually plant the plants. Inside, I've got my colors that I want to use for my garden picture and my paper, and the container bed that I'm going to plant in is in rectangular shape. So first, I'm going to draw a rectangle shape on my paper, and then I'm going to add in my dirt. Remember, that's one of the things that plants need. So I'll just color in a little bit of brown to show my dirt color. And the first plant I want to put in is going to be my tomato plant. So I'm going to go ahead and put in a plant. It has different shaped leaves. And right now, it doesn't have any tomatoes on it, but because it will get tomatoes, I'm going to go ahead and for our my plant, I'm going to put some tomatoes on there so I know what it's going to be when it's grown up at the plants out there. Next to that, I'm going to put in a marigold, which is just that little orangey yellow plant that I showed you. They're small, like that. And then finally, I'm going to add in the cilantro plant next to that. All right, my plan is done. Let's go out to the garden and do some planting. Hi, welcome to my garden. After we made our plan, the next step is putting our plan into place. So remember, 3 things that plants need to do well are good soil or dirt, sunshine, and water. So the first thing we're going to start with is adding in some planting mix into our garden. And what we do is you just grab a handful. If you have a shovel or a scoop, you can scoop a little in. And use 2 scoops of that and mix it into the dirt that's already there. This is like giving extra vitamins into the soil. Just like you guys need to eat your vegetables and fruit to help you grow, dirt is what the plants need, so they need healthy dirt. So then we stir it around. I'm going to plant today some marigolds, which come in different colors. They come in like a reddish orange and then a pure yellow or an orange. Some tomato plants. These ones are San Diego Reds. And lastly, some cilantro, which we like to use in our salad dressings and in our salsas. So first we'll start with a tomato. We're just going to pop it out of the container by smushing the bottom a little bit. And then in order for it to have a really good root system, we're going to take off the little bottom leaves here. Just a little cut, 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 or you could just pull them off or pinch them off. We're going to ruffle up the roots a little bit on the bottom too. And we're going to dig a hole, not too deep, but enough to get it all the way into the soil. I like to use a little rake to get in there deeper. And you put it all the way in and cover it with soft dirt. Next, I'll go and grab one of these orange and yellow marigolds, or red marigolds, again by ruffling up the bottom, pulling the roots out a little bit so it can get a good start in the dirt, digging that hole and dropping it in. And then finally, I'll add in the cilantro, which will go to seed. It's so yummy. There we go, push that up. Whoops. It's tricking me. Pull it out. There we go. Have that hole ready for it, a nice dirt, and dropping that in. After those 3 are in, I'll go ahead and plant the other ones, and I'll show you what it looks when it's over. This is just following my plan. It was a little pattern of the tomato, marigold, and cilantro. Finally, we are going to water the plants. We're going to give a nice drink of water so it has the 3 things it needs to start: the sunshine, the good dirt, the good soil, and water. And lastly, we're going to give the plants a nice drink of water. just to get them started off right. Remember that plants need the 3 things to grow: sunshine, good dirt or soil, and water. All right, now that we've got everything in the ground, we gave them water, good soil, and the sun is coming out, and the sun's going to do its job. I'm excited to show you how the garden is growing over the next few weeks, and hopefully when we're together again, I can bring you some of our tomatoes and cilantro, and we can try them in our outdoor classroom. Looking forward to seeing you guys soon.